Hi guys, welcome to Hook's Hot Rods. Been working a little bit on the 47 International. I got the cab on the frame and started on all that wire, and got her out in the street right now. Got all the engine in here. I'm gonna have to put like the windshield washer fluid bottle inside, and the battery and all that has to go inside because there's just no room left underneath this front end for anything. I ended up using the original rad out of the Ford 350, but the only way I could get it to fit was pull the fan off of the motor and put the rad in on an angle. But I did get it all in: power steering, the carbon canister, the vacuum canister, and the solenoid to suck the fumes out of the canister. I got all that under the hood, but everything else is going to have to go inside the cab. Got all of that wire reduced down to just the bits and pieces that I absolutely have to have. Got it all figured out, what wires I needed. Runs good. I am not going to end up using this steering wheel. I still have to move the brake pedal over, and I'm going to make my own steering column. I have an old Ford 40s Ford steering wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel to go in it. So I had to put all the computer and everything in behind the seat. And the bottom of the rad sticks out a bit, but that'll all be covered up with the bumper, so it'll be well protected. And I'm just going to use electric fans on it. I had to do some changes to the air filter, but I have to have this in because it holds the mass airflow sensor. So my plans are to get it all set up this summer, or this year, so I can take it apart in the fall and start painting everything. I've got to extend the frame by 4 feet. Right now it's 12 feet from the back of the cab to the back of the frame here. I'm going to make a ramp truck car hauler out of it. Okay, so I'll get some more work done and pop up another video as soon as I can. So please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll try and get something up on the wiring harness of how I got a Triton V10 to run without the truck. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.